steal a brain rot. I will be showing a wonderful game I have to do. I think it's still lagging. Wow. Now first we want to do is first we want to buy something from here, and you will get something. And you want a slap and do like this. Take shop and take this, and you can buy for $500. Trap we can buy $1K, and we can buy speed code in $750. I buy all the use of speed code. We can speed up, and the use of trap is we can trap them in here. The use of slap is we can slap them high away from our tower. Then we can steal with them and make them don't make. We can do so many things together. Troll is a good mode in this game. I will about to say it's a good game, and we can take with some everything. Someone has Trolla gold diamond gold brain rot gold. So he's slapping me. I will take revenge to him. Oh, he's taking my thing. He's taking my thing. He's taking my thing, and I am blocking the base. Then he cannot escape here. We want to escape this from our unknown bases. We want to reset. Then we will go to our base. This is a rainbow card. Rainbow card is the good one of the good card in this game, and we will take all the rainbow cards. That's a good thing. I will about to say that. I think it's good. I think rainbow. I can take that. So. I want to help him. Don't take things from him. Oh, here Rhinosaur. Oh, my base. I opened in the last video